Welcome to Thorpe Park and welcome to the Hyperia site. It's been a few days since our last update and the weather has been horrendous around here. However, a lot of low level work has been done, including some new supports and some new track, as well as landscaping you can probably hear behind me now. So let's take a look around the site. Please remember, drop a comment below on your thoughts on Hyperia. We read all the comments. We're really interested to see what everyone's view is. Not everyone's an enthusiast, some people are looking at this for the first time, so leave your comments below, share it with the community. But let's take a look at what's going on down here at Hyperia. On site, more supports are going up. This will be for the base of the drop, which obviously hasn't gone into place yet, and they are busy today taking dirt out. As we can see, fresh piles of dirt over here as the clearing continues. It does look like there will be quite a lot of water still in this area. We've got some more shots we want to try and get while we're here, and we want to try and catch one of the supports going up, which fingers crossed we will. But let's take a closer look now over at this side and the station, and indeed the maintenance shed. Over at the exit to the station, we now have the transfer track in place. There's a lot of work which has gone on in the maintenance shed, which we did specify, but look at that turn. Oh my god. This piece of bank track just looks insane coming out of the station. I mean, I knew it was going to be at quite an angle, but when you kind of see it, my god, you're going to proper lean over. Again, I hope there's some kind of feature in the middle that you're kind of curving away from, but even the transition back. So whilst we're here, we'll have a look at the building down the back, which is also now starting to take a little bit more shape. It's been a frame for the last week or so. But you can see now that it is taking shape, and does look like as well that it will have some kind of an end on it. Wow, that turn looks super impressive. I can't believe how much it banks, I really can't. So you will have noticed from that shot that obviously the transfer track is in. In fact, there's loads of work in the maintenance shed. That really does look like that's come together near enough waiting for trains. There's no guarantee that the track has to be complete first before the trains arrive, because they just don't put them on there, obviously. But I think in the station, there's still a lot of ongoing work. And you've got to think as well, all this is for electrics and things, and none of that is installed yet. We show you there quite a lot of supports waiting to go up, and although there is some white track as well, which is expected for the rest of this point over here, you might be able to hear, and apologies if you can, the wind is quite high today, so we are expecting a little bit more groundwork. But you can see these guys working and about to lift some supports into place, which they are currently cleaning. So hopefully we will see that go up shortly. I don't envy them in this wind putting up things at height. Now I appreciate this isn't the highest point of the ride, but still. And we'd expect all these to sort of be linking together this structure before the rest of the track goes in down this side for the first drop, leading on to the lift hill. We end at the back of the maintenance shed. On a windy day at Thorpe Park, that is our Hyperia update for today. Now then, it's coming along really quick. Is it going to be open at the start of the season? No, of course it's not. Of course it's not. You know, we seen people say, oh, thank God it's 80% complete. I don't think the track's 80% complete at all. We've still got the two highest parts to be installed, but we're not going to throw numbers out, but we will just say, you know, we're not really in the know, and it's great because it allows us to speculate as well, you know, get things wrong, get things right. But we've watched coasters be built at this park, and I can tell you now, most of them are track complete before Christmas and testing January. Nemesis is a prime example. Anyone that thinks Nemesis is behind schedule, it's perfectly on schedule. And it's not going to be doing that. And I don't think the track is going to be up much before mid-February, weather depending. So yeah, to expect it to open a month later is slightly unrealistic. As we pointed out there, there's a lot of electric still to do. There's a lot of work to do on the coaster once the track's complete. If you've enjoyed the update, please drop it a like, consider sharing it as well. It means the world to us, and we will see you next time.